we are given 27 exponent x plus x equal to 0. All right. Now, let's divide each term by the first term. So I'll go ahead. So I divide 2 by that. Okay. So this side will go to 1 plus, so we have x on 27 raised to x equals to 0. Now, let's ignore the fraction here by applying this rule. So 1 on a the same as a to the power minus 1. 1 on a to the power n the same as a to the power minus n. So we have 1 plus x times 27 exponent minus x equals to 0. Okay, now before we can solve this question, we need to apply the Lambert W function. Okay. All right, so let's record something under the Lambert W function. Now, in case we're given t times e raised to t, then we take the Lambert W function. Okay, the answer will be t. So box e raised to box. Then when taking the Lambert W function, the answer will be box. Okay, and when you are also given e, okay, raised to ln of x, the answer is x. So before we can apply the Lambert W function, we have to, or you must introduce our e here. Okay. All right, so what we are going to do here is to support this 27 here. Okay, so if I write the 27 as e raised to ln of 27, the answer is 27. So I have done nothing to it. So let's go. We have 1 plus, okay, x. So the 27 is the same as e raised to ln of 27 raised to minus x equals to 0. So let's send the 1 to the other side. So we have x e raised to ln of 27 raised to that equals to -1. All right, before we can apply the Lambert W function, we have to make sure what is here the same as what is here. Okay, but let's go ahead as we write this one well. So it's like saying ln of a raised to x the same as x raised to ln of a. So we are applying pi rule of logarithm. So we have x e raised to ln of 27. So let's bring the minus x here. Okay, that will be -1. Okay, so let's observe this one well. Okay, so we have minus x ln of 27. So let's do same, okay, to what is at the back here, so that we can take the Lambert W function. So if I go ahead, okay, and multiply both sides by negative, okay, ln of 27, so times x here, so I'll put the x here, e minus x, and I'll do same here, negative ln of 27 times -1. So we have minus x ln of 27 e raised to minus x ln of 27. So this side will be ln of 27. Okay, so let's take the Lambert W function. So we have minus x. Okay, so let me take the W function here as well. W. Okay, so this side will be minus x ln of 27 equals to W function 27. Okay, so let's observe this one well.